Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna.
Hey, David, can I ask you something a little strange?
Always, strange is my favorite.
Okay, when you go swimming, have you ever tried to swim with your coat on?
What? No, that sounds terrible.
Right. Heavy, slow, exhausting. But that is exactly what most English learners are doing every time they try to speak.
Oh, that's a powerful image.
They are swimming with a coat on. The coat is translation. Every word. They stop, they think in their language first, then they search for the English word, then they put the sentence together, then they check it, then maybe they speak.
And by that time, the moment is gone.
The moment is completely gone. The other person has moved on, and the learner feels what? Embarrassed, slow, stupid? But they are not stupid, not even close.
They're just wearing the coat.
Exactly. And today, we are going to help you take the coat off.
I love this. So today's episode is about thinking directly in English, not translating, not going through your first language, going straight from idea to English word.
Yes, and we have real techniques, things you can try today, not just watch English TV, real specific brain training.
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Okay, so David, let me ask you, do you remember learning to ride a bike?
Oh yes, I fell many times.
Everyone falls. But at first, you were thinking about everything, right? Left foot, right foot, balance, don't look down, hands on the bar, don't fall.
And then I fell.
Yes. But now,
Now I just ride. I don't think about any of that.
that is exactly what we want for English. At first, your brain thinks about every piece grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, word order. It is a lot. But with practice, it becomes automatic. It becomes like riding the bike.
So the goal is to make English feel natural, not like a checklist.
Yes. And the problem with translating is it keeps you in checklist mode forever. You never get to the automatic stage. You keep stopping, keep checking, keep translating.
So how do we stop?
Great question. Let's go through our techniques one by one. Technique number one, I call this one the 10-second burst.
Ooh, tell me more.
Okay, so many learners think, I need to practice English for an hour today. And then they don't do it because an hour is scary. Life is busy.
Very relatable.
So instead, 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds of English thinking. You are waiting for your coffee to heat up. 10 seconds. You look around the room and think, the window is open. It's a little cold. I need a sweater. That's it. Done.
Just 10 seconds.
Just 10 seconds. But here's the secret. 10 seconds, 6 times a day, that is 1 minute. 1 minute of real English brain training every single day.
That doesn't sound scary at all.
That is the whole point. Small is powerful. Small is sustainable. Small becomes big over time. Your brain is learning even when you think nothing is happening.
Okay, technique number 2. This one is mine. I call it feeling first.
Oh, I like this one.
So many learners think they need to get the grammar perfect before they speak. Subject, verb, object, everything in order. But that is not how real speaking works.
No, it isn't.
Real speaking starts with a feeling. Think about it. When something surprises you, you don't stop and think, subject, verb, adjective. You just say, wow, that's incredible, or oh no, that's awful.
So start with the emotion word.
Exactly. Practice your feeling words first. Excited, nervous, confused, relieved, annoyed, proud. These are small words, easy to remember, but they get you talking.
And when you start talking, even with just one word, the rest follows.
That's the beautiful part. The brain relaxes when you start. It's getting started that's hard. So start with the feeling.
I love that. Start with the feeling. Can we practice?
Let's do it.
Okay, imagine this. You just finished a really hard presentation at work. Everyone is watching, your hands were shaking, but you did it. How do you feel?
Relieved. So relieved. And a little proud.
Perfect! 2 words. That is real English thinking. No translation, just the feeling.
Try it yourself, everyone. What are you feeling right now? Just the word. Just one word.
Technique 3. This one is called picture to phrase.
What's that?
Okay, so when you see something, a person, a place, a situation, don't reach for your language first. Try to reach for an English image. Not even a word, an image with a phrase attached.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine you walk into a cafe. You see a man sitting alone by the window. He has headphones on, he's staring at his laptop. He looks serious.
I can picture it.
Good. Now, without translating, what do you think? In English, right now.
He looks busy. Maybe a little tired.
Perfect! You didn't translate. You looked at the picture and went directly to English words. That is picture to phrase thinking.
And you can practice this anywhere. On the train, in a park, waiting at the doctor's.
Everywhere is a classroom. You just need to look and think. Look and think. Don't translate. Look and think.
Okay, Anna, real talk. Can I be honest about something?
Always.
I think a lot of learners are scared not just of speaking slowly, they're scared of being judged. Like, what if I say something wrong in front of someone? What if they laugh?
Yes, this is so real.
I have a friend, lovely person, very intelligent, and she completely freezes in job interviews. She knows the answers, but the moment she has to say them in English, her mind goes blank, white, nothing.
The brain panics.
The brain panics, and then she translates, and then it's too slow, and then she gets more nervous. It's a cycle.
Yes, translating and anxiety, they feed each other. When you're nervous, you translate more. When you translate, you slow down. When you slow down, you get more nervous.
So how do we break the cycle?
Technique 4. Messy English permission.
I need this.
We all need this. So the idea is simple. You give yourself permission, official signed permission, to speak imperfect English, messy English, broken English, half-finished English.
And that's okay?
Not just okay, it is necessary, because imperfect English that you actually say is worth 1,000 times more than perfect English that lives only in your head.
Ooh, write that down, everyone.
Imperfect English you say is worth more than perfect English you never say. Your brain needs to experience speaking, not just planning to speak, actually speaking, even messily.
So when you make a mistake, which you will, what do?
You keep going. You don't stop. You don't apologize 15 times. You just keep going, like a river. Water doesn't stop when there's a rock. It goes around.
Be the river.
Be the river. Okay, technique 5. This is one of my favorites. It is called silent storytelling.
Silent, like no speaking?
No speaking. This is all inside your head. So once a day, just for 5 minutes, you tell yourself a story in English, in your mind, silently.
What kind of story?
Your day. This morning, I woke up late. My alarm didn't work. I made coffee, but I forgot to buy milk yesterday, so it was black. I don't really like black coffee, but I drank it because I needed to wake up.
That's so specific and so normal.
Yes, it doesn't have to be dramatic. It is your real, ordinary, beautiful life in English. And because it's silent, no one is listening. No judgment, no pressure. Just you and your brain having a little English conversation.
That feels safe.
It is safe, and it's powerful, because you are building the habit of reaching for English first, before your first language. Your brain starts to go English, not translate.
I'm going to start doing this.
Good. Start tonight. Just describe your day. 5 sentences. That's all.
Technique 6. Anna, this one is about zones, one language zones.
Yes, explain it.
Okay, so you don't have to think in English all day. That is exhausting. But you can choose one zone, one time, one place, and make it English only.
Like what?
Like your morning shower. From the moment you get in to the moment you get out, English thoughts only. The water is warm. I'm washing my hair. I need to buy more shampoo. Oh, I have that meeting today. I'm a little nervous about it.
That's beautiful. A real English moment inside a normal daily routine.
Or maybe it's your lunchtime walk. Every day at lunch, you walk for 10 minutes, and for those 10 minutes, English only. Look at things, think about them, in English.
And the zone is small, it's contained. It doesn't feel overwhelming.
That's the key. Make the zone small enough that you can actually do it.
Because the brain loves habits. Small, consistent habits, not big, dramatic changes. Small, consistent, every day. Okay, technique 7. This one is a little different. It's called shadowing your own thoughts.
Interesting. What does that mean?
So, shadowing usually means you repeat after a native speaker. You copy their rhythm, their sounds, their speed. But this technique, you shadow yourself.
Yourself?
Yes, so you have a thought in English, and then you say it out loud, even quietly, even in a whisper. You shadow your own brain.
So it goes from inside to outside.
Exactly. Because here's the thing, many learners think in English actually quite well, but there's a wall between thinking and speaking, and this technique breaks that wall. You hear your own voice saying English words, your mouth learns the shapes, your ear hears the sounds.
And suddenly it's not so scary to speak out loud.
Because you've already done it, quietly, to yourself. The voice is not new anymore.
Can we try right now?
Let's try. Everyone at home, wherever you are right now, look around the room, find one object. Think something about it in English, and then whisper it, quietly, just to yourself.
I'll go first. I can see my water bottle. It's almost empty. I should drink more today.
Perfect! Did you feel that? That was real English thinking, straight from your brain, no translation.
It felt surprisingly easy.
Because it is. When the pressure is low, the brain works better. Low pressure, small steps, real progress. Okay, David, let's talk about some real-life moments, because we know the techniques are helpful, but let's make them feel real.
Yes, let's do some quick scenarios.
Okay, scenario 1. You are at a party. Someone comes up to you, a stranger. They say, "Hey, so how do you know Jake?" And your brain freezes.
Oh, I know this feeling.
What do you do?
Okay, feeling first, right? My feeling is nervous, a little surprised, but I start with something simple. Oh, we work together. He's great. Short, simple, real.
Perfect. You don't need to say 10 sentences. 2 will do. Start. Keep the river moving.
Scenario 2, you're on a Zoom call. Your internet cuts out for 30 seconds. You come back and you have no idea what people were talking about. You need to ask.
The old approach? Panic. Translate. Panic more. Say nothing. Nod and pretend you understood.
I think everyone has done that.
The new approach, messy English permission. You say, "Sorry, I lost the connection for a moment. Could you repeat that last part?" That's it. 8 words. Professional, confident, done.
And nobody thinks less of you. Everyone loses connection sometimes.
Right. The thing that makes you look confident is not perfect sentences. It's not panicking.
Scenario 3, you are ordering food at a new restaurant. The waiter asks, "Any allergies?" And you are not sure how to explain.
Feeling first? Uncertain. A little embarrassed. But you say, "Actually, I don't eat shellfish. Is there shellfish in this?"
Simple, direct, real English.
And if you don't know the word shellfish, messy English. The things from the sea, like prawns, and the waiter will understand completely.
Communication over perfection, every time.
David, I want to say something to everyone listening right now.
Go ahead.
If you have tried to speak English and felt embarrassed, if you have been in a conversation and gone quiet because you couldn't find the words, if you have felt like everyone around you speaks better and more easily than you, I want you to know something.
What?
I want you to know you are not behind. You are not broken. You are not bad at languages. You are learning, and learning is not linear. It doesn't go up in a straight line. It goes up, sideways, back a little, up more. And the quiet days, the days when nothing feels like progress, those days are part of it too.
Progress is quiet sometimes.
Yes, progress is quiet. Your brain is doing things you can't see, building connections, building memory, building confidence, even when you don't feel it happening.
I think that's so important to hear because so many learners give up just before the breakthrough.
They give up in the quiet period, and we don't want that for you.
No, we really don't.
Thinking in English is not about speed. It's not about sounding like someone from a TV show. It's about freedom, the freedom to say what you mean, to connect with people, to live your life in this language.
That's the goal. Not perfection, freedom. Okay, let's bring it all together. Anna, quick recap?
Yes, we covered a lot today, so let's make sure everyone has it clear.
Technique 1, the 10-second burst. Short moments of English thinking throughout your day. Waiting, walking, drinking coffee. 10 seconds. It adds up.
Technique 2, feeling first. Start with the emotion word. Excited, nervous, relieved. Get talking, then the sentences follow.
Technique 3, picture to phrase. Look at the world around you. Go directly to English. Don't translate what you see. Just think it.
Technique 4, messy English permission. You are allowed to be imperfect. Imperfect English you say is worth more than perfect English you keep inside.
Technique 5, silent storytelling. Once a day, tell your story in English, in your head. 5 sentences. Your real, ordinary day in English.
Technique 6, one language zones. Choose one time, one place, every day, English only. Your shower, your lunch walk, your commute.
Technique 7, shadow your own thoughts. Think it, then whisper it. Move English from inside to outside. Break that wall.
And all of it adds up to one thing, a brain that reaches for English first, not last, not after translating, first.
Okay, your 5-minute daily challenge. Are you ready?
Ready. This week, every day, I want you to do one thing, just one. When you wake up, before you look at your phone, before you do anything, spend 5 minutes doing the silent storytelling technique. Tell yourself what happened yesterday, in English, in your head. 5 minutes, that's all.
If you can't think of the word for something, that's okay. Use another word. Use a description. Keep going. Don't stop for one missing word.
Be the river, remember?
Be the river.
And here's something fun. At the end of the week, write one sentence in the comments. Just one sentence about your week. In English, messy, simple, imperfect English. We will read every single one.
We genuinely love reading your comments. They make our day.
And we have a question for you today. What is the moment when you most want to speak English confidently? Is it at work, traveling, meeting new people? Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Because knowing your moment, your real reason, makes all the practice feel worth it.
It really does.
Well, that's everything from us today. Take the coat off, everyone.
Take the coat off. Your English can swim.
It really can. If this episode helped you even a little, please share it with one person who is learning English. One person. That's all we ask.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, this is your gentle reminder that there is a button right there that would make us very happy.
Very, very happy.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. Go think in English.
Bye.
Bye.